A very good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. And today we are going to discuss the new topic. As you can see on my screen, there is a picture of a plant. And in this picture, there are labels of the parts of its plants. Parts are labeled here, and we will be discussing today how can we ourselves draw and label these different parts of a plants. In the previous chapter, we studied about living and non-living things, and plants is one of the examples of living things. It is living as it can breathe, though it cannot move, but it can breathe. Today, we will start discussing about plants, and here we have labeled the parts of the plants. Let's start from the base. The area which is under this brown portion, we can see these zigzag lines here, and they are known as roots. They are known as roots. Roots are the parts of the plants which are underground. We cannot see the roots. In most of the plants, we cannot see the roots. And this portion which is thick enough, this is known as stem. This is known as stem. And obviously, these green, so many green leaves are here. These all are green leaves. So they are leaf. This part is known as leaf. And this red color part is called fruit. This is called fruit. And here the yellow portion which we can see, and you all can recognize it well. What is this? These are yellow flowers here. So this is called flower. So here we are discussing about roots, leaves, fruits, flowers, stem. Now, one by one we will discuss about their different functions. So let's have a look on the page of your science book. This is page number 2626 and the chapter name is Parts of a Plant. Let's talk about their functions. As I started with roots, roots support the plant and help it absorb water from the soil. In the previous chapter, we discussed that living thing needs food and water. This is basic need of survival, right? So from where do the plants get that food and water? So from absorbing, they absorb it from the soil. The soil contains all the nutrients which are required for the growth of a plant, and these roots help that plant to absorb that nutrients and water from the soil. Then comes leaves. These green leaves actually are green due to the presence of chlorophyll in them, and these green leaves are called food factory of the plants. Why they are called food factory? Because food is prepared here. As we all know, factory is a place where something is manufactured, something is produced. So here in these leaves, the food is prepared for the plants. So leaves are known as food factory of the plant. Leaves make food for the plant. Coming on the next, fruit. Most fruits have seeds in them. Most fruits have seeds in them. If you have observed, students, if you cut apple, if you eat orange, if you eat any other fruit, you must have observed it contains seeds in it. Black seeds, you must have observed. Even mango, we eat mango and there is a big seed in every mango. So what is this? This is seed, and most fruits have seeds in them. New plants grow from seeds. Again, I must tell you that in the previous chapter we studied living things reproduce. That means they produce their young ones. And how do plants reproduce? Through their seeds. And seeds are contained in fruits. They are contained in fruits. Now on the left hand side we do have two other labeled here. Two other parts are labeled here. One is flowers. Flowers help the plant to make seeds. How do we get seeds? Flowers help the plant to make seeds. Then coming on the next, stems. Stems transport water to the leaves. As we can see, the biggest part of a plant is stem. It starts from here and it goes up here, right? So this is the biggest part of a plant. Stems transport water to the leaves. They also carry food prepared in the leaves to different parts of the plant. Stems bear leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Stems keep the plant upright and give support to it. In some plants, stems also store extra food. So, ये सारे के सारे और जितने भी पार्ट्स हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, दे ऑल आर बेयर्ड वेयर, स्टेम पर ही. स्टेम बेयर मीन्स स्टेम पर ही ये सारे पार्ट्स हैं. बाकी सभी पार्ट्स जितने भी हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, दे ऑल आर ऑन स्टेम. एंड स्टेम कीप द प्लांट अपराइट. अपराइट समझते हैं आप सब लोग, सीधा रखने में हेल्प करता है और सपोर्ट देता है प्लांट को. सो स्टेम प्लेज द मेजर रोल. जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स में हमारी बैकबोन होती है. बैकबोन हमारे पोस्चर को, हमारी बॉडी वेट को, हर चीज़ को बैलेंस करती है और हमें स्ट्रेट रखने में हेल्प करती है, हमारी बॉडी को सपोर्ट देती है. इन द सेम वे स्टेम जो है वो एक प्लांट को इट सपोर्ट, इट गिव्स सपोर्ट. सो आई होप this is clear to all of you. You only need to read this page number 26, and we have discussed today about the parts of the plant. Your today's homework is to draw this plant picture in your photo notebooks as well and label the parts beautifully. You can also take help of such things. You can also draw this ways as well. All right, students, take care. See you in the next video.